Oh.
I wanted to be the queen, you know. They were all hanging down.
Good point.
Yeah, that's why they say just gently inspect them if you can. If you see her, get them in.
All good stuff. I can tell you one thing, I got stung. And I can tell you another thing, they did treat for varroa. I'll tell you how I know. There's a remnant of its treatment in this hive. They love getting me in the forehead because of this camera. I gotta find another location for this camera. Yeah, they do, but the point is to wear it on your body. Man, these is just caked with bees. That's a potential queen thing, but next week I'll inspect it later. Okay, so next is the other frames. Fix this, honey, and it's yours for the taking. Don't worry, ladies, we're here to help. Tool. Just ensuring proper bee space. Feeder. Okay, now this is where experiment 1 happens. Huh?
I like it.
Yeah, so do I. Now, I only made enough to fill. I gotta make, see, I ran out of gallon jugs, so I only made enough for one of these, complete with 1 gallon on each side. It takes 1.5 gallons to fill. These all were tested. There's only one I still gotta fix. So I got to make some more tea and bring it out later. Just for one well, which will be enough until I make more. And then the floaties. I call them floaties. Okay, you can't be perfect. Gets a little wet, it dries off. Okay, as they say in Poland, ostatni, the last. Okay. So, yeah, we move. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. Smoker. Okay. How's that look? Okay. Oh, the Varroa screen. That's another thing why I went with these hives, because this one has this new this other Varroa screen I never saw before. Okay, so smoker. Beautiful. If I had a little more smoke, because they're getting agitated with Numi. New frame. They're cleaning it up. The rest are bubbling with bees. Beautiful. Beautiful. A larva. They're cleaning up a larva. BT will handle some of that, but probiotics will handle the rest. There's always gonna be a couple of... Okay. Another frame of honey. What did you say, something? Ugh. There we go. I want to put this in first because these guys are going to get a Christmas present early. Another frame of honey over here. Since we damaged that other one. And I'll face it towards them. Okay. Forgot to shake all the bees. Let's shake the bees over here. Yeah, you can pick it up.
There's one good whack over and put it right down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good enough, huh? One whack. We don't want to whack them too much, right? They're not whack-a-mole.
Yeah.
Now this is a bee yard. Okay. Wait a minute. Hive tool. Come on. So I got to make one more gallon for these gals. I got to make it, let it cool. Oh! Are you saved? Good. Your wings are wet for the rest of your life though. She might still live. She fell in there and I rescued. Not bad. Okay, so cover. Ah, thank you. Looks like we've successfully transplanted some bees. The rest will go in by themselves. Now it's just beekeeper cleanup, and I'm just going to go to the front. This is Numi and his bees with a successful transplant of 5 Nucs, May 3rd, 2015, in Numi's bees apiary. This is Numi's and his bees signing out.